Tiara here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in. I am doing a Halloween soap today, one of two that I will be releasing. And if you were around last year, you might remember a little jack-o'-lantern soap that I did. I want to bring that design back and of course give it a makeover and switch it up a little bit. So I'm going to start off by making some column, I always have trouble, come on, line it up, making some column embeds that are going to be my little pumpkin faces that go inside the base of my soap. So I'm going to pour them up today and then I will come back tomorrow and make the remainder of the soap. Because this is all going to be one color, I've already poured in my lye solution. I'm going to add a little bit of pumpkin seed powder, of course. I think all my pumpkin soaps got this. And then I'm going to color it in some Mango Tango mica. And this is by Nurture Soaps. And we're going to give that a mix. And then I'll tell you guys what fragrance I'm using. So the fragrance is called Pumpkin Cider. Just pour a little bit of that in there, and the notes in this are spicy pumpkin, warm apple cider, caramel, and vanilla. There's like maybe 2% vanillin in this, so it might discolor a little bit. Like most of the pumpkin scents that I've used for this release. Hand stir that in. I'm going to get my PVC pipes over here. We're going to pour this, let it sit for 24 hours. And then I will unmold them and make the remainder of the soap. Back for day 2, and I'm going to start off the same way by adding in some pumpkin seed powder and giving that a little whirl so that it is all blended in. And then I'm going to switch over to the whisk as I pour in my lye solution into my oils. I am whisking today because I want to do a little sculpted layer at the bottom of this soap that looks like grass. So I'm going to pour off some of my oils here and I'm going to color it in some Mad Micas, Andy the Money. So we'll give that a mix and then I'll add my fragrance. Pour that in, wait for it to set up, and then I will use this little cake comb to sculpt a grassy layer. So the camera is being really dumb again, and I don't know what its problem is. I thought I figured it out, but I guess I was wrong. So I did sculpt the grass layer in the bottom of those molds, and I'm sorry you didn't get to see it. I am going to show you the pumpkin column molds that I made. So I did slice off a little bit of the bottom so that when they sit in the mold, they will be sitting on their flat bottoms. And then I took some soap dough and I just shaped it into a stem and attached it to the top of this, and that is going to sit inside of my soap. And then I made some melt and pour crescent moons, and better believe I put glow-in-the-dark powder in there. So let's get the rest of the soap up here and get that mixed up. So pouring off a little teeny tiny bit into this cup for a little bit of a swirl. I am going to color that in a cashmere blue by Nurture, and into the big bucket I'm going to color that in a dark navy blue. I want this to look like the sky in the background. And we'll start pouring, and I'll put the embeds, place them inside of the loaf of soap, and show you guys what's going to go on top. So mad at this camera. I managed to smush everything into the mold there. Going on top of this soap, I had these little pumpkins. I've got some melt and pour spiders and some melt and pour bats. And then also off to the side, I have some green soap batter setting up to do a little piping, add some leaves, maybe some vines or something to these little pumpkins. And that is that. Keeping this one a low top. I'm going to do another Halloween soap that you guys will see, but that one will be a high top, so I've got one of each going on here. So we'll stick one of these on each bar, and then I'll randomly place the other embeds all over the rest of the loaf, and then they'll probably get cut, but that's the point. That is what I want. Every bar will be a little different. So I was in the store the other day, and I feel like stores are always rushing different holidays. It'll be the middle of summer and they've got school supplies out or Halloween stuff out. And I was in a Dollar General the other day and I saw Halloween candy out, and I kind of had a giggle just because I'm like, yeah, I'm pretty sure Halloween is canceled this year, and that is just not going to happen. Not just because of COVID for me. Halloween is going to be canceled because that is my due date, and I doubt I'll be dressing up and going out. At least if he's here on Halloween or thereabouts on Halloween, I'll at least get to dress him up. I did buy the cutest little pumpkin outfit for his going home outfit, and it has the hat is like a crocheted little pumpkin that I found someone on Etsy who makes them. And then I've got a little onesie that says cutest little pumpkin arrived. And I need to find some matching pants for it. But that is what he's going to come home in. And hopefully he gets to wear it more than once. But you know babies, they grow out of things so fast. And he'll probably only wear it once. But I'm ready to put him in all of the cute little fall stuff as soon as he gets here. I am excited to at least splurge on him. Alright, let me get the rest of these on here. Maybe some glitter. I'll let this sit for 24 hours. And then I will come back and cut it and we'll see what the inside looks like. Got a little messy there for a second. But hopefully the design I wanted works out. Alright, let's see if I got the design I was going for in the inside of this. Take a little slice off. You guys ready? Yeah! Look at that! Got a grass and our pumpkin and our moon. Of course, I still need to put his little face on, so I have this little stamp here from Rockin' Roberts. He's on Etsy. Custom made those for me just for my Halloween pumpkin soaps. I love how this turned out. Really, really cool. I think I even like it better than the one I did last year. So this soap is going to be available on September 22nd. That is the next shop update. I do have one more Halloween soap planned for the release day, and it is the most intricate. Like, this one is pretty intricate. I went a little bit further with the next one, and hopefully you guys like that one too, since I am only doing the 2 Halloween themed soaps for the season. So mark your calendars if you'd like to get one. Again, September 22nd. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned after the cutting because I will be stamping their little faces on with a little bit of mica and that stamp. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. New to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, do think about it. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them for me in the comment section down below. And until next time, I hope you have a very nice day. I will smell you later.